HYDAC condition monitoring series. Today's question: did you know that you can monitor your diesel quality in real time? Hi, it's me, Greg. Today we're looking at how you can take control of your diesel quality as it happens. HYDAC offers one of the industry's most flexible solutions for real-time condition monitoring, the CMP sensor module. This compact unit provides its own metering supply and delivers highly accurate, consistent measurements of both particle contamination and water content in diesel fuel. The CMP module can be installed in a passive configuration, meaning it displays live contamination levels whenever fuel is dispensed. Operators can manually record these readings for quality control. Simple, effective, but we can take it even further. Pair the CMP module with HYDAC's cloud-based CMX platform and you unlock the full real-time monitoring and data storage in the cloud. Live sensor data accessible anytime, secure permanent records, wireless or Ethernet connectivity, whichever suits your site best. The CMX software is tailored to your operation with custom configurations, user access control, and full support from the HYDAC South Africa team. Prefer to keep things local? No problem. The CMP module can also integrate directly into your existing SCADA system or be configured to trigger fail-safe alarms, customized to your needs. Real-time diesel monitoring is a game changer for reliability and performance. And in our final video of the series, we'll explore the diesel filtration solutions that protect your hydraulic and diesel operated systems. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the final episode in the HYDAC condition monitoring series.